Hi guys and welcome. In the previous lecture I showed you how to create a rectangular array, and now I'm going to show you how to create a polar. This is the one, a polar array. Now let's select this command. They are telling you to select an object. Select this one, right click. Now they are telling you to specify a center point. For example, let's set it around this point. As you can see, we have this polar array. As you can see, we have like 6 items: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can change the number to 4, for example, and you have 4 items. Change it for 10, for example, and then you have like 10 objects. Let's see the other thing that we want to do. Let's select 6 again. Wait for it. It is now 6. Let's, for example, change the angle between them. This is the what? The angle between the items. So let's change it, for example, to 30. Press enter. As you can see, the arrangement of this will be different. As you can see, there is 30, which is the half, and the fill, which is the angle between the first and the last one, will be 150. From here to here, 150. Let's assume that we want to make it 360. Back again, let's assume we have it 180. As you can see, this is the angle between the last and the first one, which is 180. And there are some other properties, but we're not going to talk about it. Always make sure that the fill angle is 360 so that it will be a full rotation, okay? And then change the number of items, the between them, and other things will be changed. That's it.